Where's the rest of everybody at?
You guys are making me fucking nervous.
Should we wait?
No, they're coming. They're right there. Let's get that up. Get your torch fire. It's gonna be a 3 count. Have your flames. Get our flames lit and then a 3 count goes. Alright. Yeah, I'm heading straight out through here, man.
Going that way?
Wait a sec. I'm gonna head that way. Alright, boys.
Oh my god.
Let's do this shit. July 3rd. 3 days and all sprayed. Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Where's the last one?
It flew out there, boy. Holy shit!
That was the force that blew over there.
Are you
Did I just about die? Holy
Woo!
What's left of it?
Yeah!
Look at that thing, dude. I got that whole thing. Look at this.
That means
Destruction. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Look at the carnage. What's left? There's nothing left. Look at that. Oh my god. That's definitely not high definition anymore. Dude.
Dude, I can't believe it went over to the pond and blew up.
Dude, let's go get the fish. That was cool. That was awesome.
Holy shit!
I can't believe that.
Holy
shit.
balls.
Absolutely.